Hey guys, we're out here at 3112 Carlos Piscina Way. This is our new subdivision, Cordova Springs here in Waco, and we're going to kind of do a series of videos explaining what you're seeing when you go on your job site. One thing that I have learned, maybe one of the most important things that I've learned is the more you guys understand about what you're seeing, the better our communication is, because we're kind of speaking the same language. So if you're watching these videos and you're kind of learning what we're looking at here, then when we're talking about it on a job site, you understand why we do this, some of the things we do. And what you're looking at here on the outside of a house, this is all about moisture. It's all about keeping moisture out of your house. So everything we're doing here is for that purpose. So the first thing is this house wrap. You see it on all houses. It's different brands, different colors, things like that. Everybody calls it Tyvek. Tyvek is one brand. It's kind of like Xerox with copiers. But the purpose of this house wrap is to keep moisture off of the wood behind it. We don't want it to rot. But it's also got to take the moisture and not only keep it from getting on it, but it's got to take it down the wall and then bring it out. So that's what this is designed to do. You see, you'll have areas here where you get little cuts and scrapes in it. The last thing we do before we start doing masonry work is we go around and we put tape over these. We'll put tape over where these nails are, tape over the cap nails, so we don't have any places in this. Those staples, put tape over those, so you don't have any place where water can get behind this and damage that, rot out that piece of wood. This, of course, is a brick tie. When the masons come put the bricks on, they're going to lean these forward. They'll put the brick around them. This serves two purposes. Main purpose it serves is it keeps the brick in a line. It doesn't let it move back and forth like this, which it can do if it doesn't have a brick tie like this on it. The other thing it does is it maintains what we call a vapor barrier. So where the brick is on the wall, there'll be a gap, a couple of inch gap between the back of the brick and this wall. That gap is again for moisture. Brick and your mortar, it looks like it's solid, and it is, but it's not waterproof. Water can soak through it, and it will. When it rains, water's going to hit it, it's going to soak through it. It's going to get to the back side of that brick. We want it to go down the brick and then go out. This black piece right here, this is called moist stop. Again, this is all about keeping water out. This is the last barrier between where your slab is, the top of the slab, and the house. So we really don't want water to be able to get in there and get into the house. Causes massive problems with your flooring, humidity, all kinds of things. Last thing, of course, here's your slab. And then this right here, we call this a brick ledge or a masonry ledge. And obviously that's where your brick is going to sit, or your stone. If you're in an area where you have siding, you won't have this brick ledge. So that kind of is a little bit of an anatomy lesson of what we're seeing here on the outside. Main thing to think about here is this is where we want water to stop and not get in the house. Everything here is designed to do that. We inspect all of this before we ever put masonry up, because we want to make sure it's all done right before we get it where we can't see it.